In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photo in Hugging Face. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to huggingface.co, this is the website, and then you want to either create an account or simply sign in case you have one already. And then over here, you basically have to first know what you want to do with your image. So if you want to, for example, like change clothes, you can just go to search models up here, type in change clothes, and then here you can basically look for this AI to one of the spaces, you can open it up, and then this will give you the AI, basically the model, via which you can change clothes. Now, if you would like to basically just draw over images, look for something like that. But for general image editing, if you would like to basically just like edit a photo, add something on there, remove something, etc., there's actually one of them I found, one of the models that is very good. Now, again, if you want a specific task, if you want like, let's say better lighting, color grading, you want to simply just type in whatever you're looking for, and then basically, as you can see, for example, these, let's say color correction or whatever you want to do. So here, as you can see, you can just open up these and it's going to open up various different models which can do different things. But again, if you would like to do kind of the general image editing, here is what I found. So you want to do a Ledits ++, okay? So this is the one, editing images, Ledits ++. This one is actually quite fun. So if I come in here, you basically drop in an image, and I'm gonna use this one for this instance. And here you can just type in whatever you want to add or remove from the specific image. So here you have some examples of what people were able to do with this. And let me actually show you how to do it. It's very simple. You just have to, for example, put in the concept like sunglasses. There we go, sunglasses, edit type, leave it on custom. So of course you can do on custom, style, object, or faces. I'm gonna do faces for this one because it's a face, and then I'm gonna do add over here. And as you can see, you can do the concept guidance scale, you can leave it whatever you want. I'm gonna do like 6 over here, and then edit your image. Of course, you can see some advanced options where you can put in a bunch of different things. If you want to do that, you are free to do that as well. You can basically describe your image also, which will make it a bit more realistic and a bit better. You can also select the masking types, etc. So yeah, and then after you've done this, there we go, you can just edit that and it will edit that onto your image. So as you can see, this is now quite good. It basically added that in. I'm not sure why it took away the smile, the teeth, but okay, we're gonna live with that. And yeah, so you can do whatever you want essentially with this and just start adding it in. Okay, so for example, let's say we're gonna do a, I don't know, we're gonna do a emoji on a shirt or something like that. We're gonna do add, and then we're gonna do edit image. There we go. And hopefully this is going to do its magic. Now, of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes it's going to make mistakes. We'll see what this one will make. But this is how we can essentially, yeah, there we go. As I said, it did nothing because it didn't really understand what I wanted. But yeah, you can do like basic editing with this. Or if you want anything advanced, just search for the specific model over here inside these search boxes. And then you'll be good to go. And you'll be able to basically edit your image inside your Hugging Face account. Now, when you come to the spaces over here, you can come to this by clicking spaces. You also have image editing, which you can of course click on, and then you can see the different options you have. So for example, face swap, you have code former, expression editor, etc. And you can use all this in here. So you can just click on it and you can just start using the model over here on Hugging Face website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.